Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Safitri Puspita Lestari, student ID number 22 from the Agribusiness Study Program, Faculty of Agriculture, Trunojoyo University, Madura. In the video this time I will analyze the micro, small and medium enterprises in my area, namely micro, small and medium enterprises chicken farm. Before that, we first look at the video profile of the small chicken farm, micro, small and medium enterprises. This chicken farm business was founded by Mrs. Siti Khotijah. This chicken farm business was established in 2015. It is located in Bangkalan area, which is more precisely on Letnan Singosastro, street number 13, RT4, RW7 Bangkalan. Its focus is on native chicken. We can calculate about the level of business feasibility by using the formula revenue cost ratio. Of that ratio, we know if the business is profitable because revenue cost ratio is more than 1. Mrs. Siti Khotijah is starting her business using her own capital or personal savings. After several years, she is developing and expanding her business, also encourage capital with a loan from a bank. In Mrs. Siti Khotijah farm, sort of cut chicken production consists of the first is labor. There are 3 workers at Mrs. Siti Khotijah farm. This worker was taken by Mrs. Siti Khotijah from the resident around the house. Second, capital. The capital for this chicken farm business comes from personal capital and loans from banks. Third, namely physical resource consisting of raw materials, tools, and equipment. In selecting the location, it is far from the crowd. This is prohibited so as not to disturb the livestock and not disturb the surrounding community. For design layout arranges in such a way the workers can work effectively. For production supervision, Mrs. Siti Khotijah carries out her own supervision, and this is done every day, both in feeding and cutting. In the marketing strategy, Mrs. Siti Khotijah set her marketing area in the Bangkalan area and targeted her consumer as a reseller or places to eat. In the pricing strategy, the price is determined according to the market price and also according to the size of the chicken. In Mrs. Siti Khotijah chicken farm, the distribution channel include direct distribution channel or zero level channel where buyer go directly to her house. Mrs. Siti Khotijah in promoting her chicken farm through social media such as WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram, and she is promoting her farm by making business cards that are distributed to buyer or consumer. This business doesn't use information system and technology because the process in this business from start to sell use a manual system, and the financial reports are also done manual, which are recorded in books. In the chicken farm owned by Mrs. Siti Khotijah, the type of risk that is often reported is death and diseases in chicken. Risk prevention carried out by Mrs. Siti Khotijah, namely by keeping the cage clean, giving vaccine to chicken, and also giving food and drink regularly. That's enough for me, hopefully useful. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.